Alright, hey guys, what's going on? Today we're back with a brand new video. Um, this is the long-awaited FNaF tutorial video. Now, before we start, I just wanted to say, I'm sorry for, not actually making this stuff, the video. A lot of people are gonna ask why I'm remaking the entire tutorial. The reason being is, I watch this tutorial once in a while, and I'm like, this tutorial sucks. Like, maybe it seems really good for a lot of you guys, but, it's actually, it went over a lot of stuff that's important, and it's been like about 7 months since that video, and I've learned a whole lot more about Scratch, and I've become a way better creator. So, I'm decided to remake the tutorial, and I'm gonna help you guys. So, here we go, let's begin. Okay, so first, if you guys are new, you could make your account. Then you're gonna be on this page. You're gonna press create, and here. Also, your Scratch isn't gonna look like entirely like this. The reason it looks fine like all the colors are different is because I have Scratch add-ons. It's a extension. So, anyways, next thing you want to do is you're gonna want to name your project. The thing you really want to do before you start making a project is actually thinking of everything. Because if you just go along with it and just do whatever the heck you want, it's not gonna end up the best. Like the game that I'm currently working on, Final Fantasy 4. Um, I didn't just start working on it one day. It took about a year to think about. So I will. I mean, obviously, I'm not. I don't plan on making a cool game, so I'm just gonna name it something random like Five Nights with uh Five Nights. Let's just go with Chucky, cause I always have it, and I'll just name it Remastered. I'm not gonna release this, but I can have it. Okay. So basically, what you're gonna want to do is we're just gonna delete this right because we don't need that. Come to the backdrop. So the backdrop is right here. Once you delete your sprite, it'll automatically go to the backdrops. You're gonna come over here, go to see where it says code. Next to it is backdrops. So click on backdrops. Come here to the paint bucket, and then click this. Convert to bitmap. So the difference between bitmap and vector. Vector is it makes images more. How do I say this? It makes images better, more quality. Bitmap makes them kind of more. It's bitmap is what Scratch uses. So if you import anything into Scratch, it'll convert to bitmap immediately. So come here to the bitmap and press the fill tool right here. Change it to black. So you have to change it to whatever color you want. If you guys are going to make a scary game, it's better to use black. Okay, so now we're gonna make a sprite. So to make a sprite, I saw a lot of people in my last video asking how you make the sprite. You come over here and you don't click this. You just hover over it and go up and press paint. So this makes a new sprite. So we're gonna name this warning. You guys obviously don't have to name yours, but I find it better to name mine because it's easier to find what I'm looking for when I'm currently making the game. Alright, so we're gonna press convert to bitmap and we're gonna change the color of this. You don't have to change the color of this, it just helps it so you can see better. Actually, I don't really need this though because I already have a black background, so I don't need that. So now we're gonna make the warning screen. You guys can put whatever you want. The reason we need warning screens is because first of all, we're trying to make a FNaF game. Every FNaF game has a warning screen. Second of all, it is better to keep, if you want your game to stay up, it's better to have a warning screen because Scratch doesn't usually let FNaF games aren't allowed on Scratch. So to make it so it's better to make it so that Scratch game can be up longer or hopefully stay up forever, which my games haven't been taken down once. If you want your games to stay up, make sure to always put a warning screen. It's a lot. It's a good idea, and if you don't do it, it's more likely your game will get taken down. So I'm just gonna put the normal FNaF text. This game contains flashing lights, loud noises, and lots of jump scares. That looks awkward. Hold on. Okay. That looks so weird. Okay, let me go again. They put it right about here. This game contains flashing lights, loud noises, and lots of jump scares. Move it like this. There we go. Okay. Also, another important thing you're gonna want to do before you actually make a sprite is you're gonna always want to right here. Actually, let me put it on there. Okay, right here. These are the coordinates. So these coordinates are where your sprite will be placed. So you're always gonna want to change it to 00, because 00 is actually where you make them. So if you put it if you put your screen here, 00 makes it so exactly how you place it on this bright map. Time for some coding. Okay, so when you come here, you're gonna press Events. When green flag clicked, show. Come here, set color effect. Change the color to ghost. Set ghost effect to 100. Wait 1 second. Repeat. Change repeat to 100 times. I get a change color effect. Change it to ghost. Change ghost effect by -2. Copy this. Bring it under here and change the -2 to 2. Then hide and broadcast. Oh crap! And broadcast main menu. So if you did everything right, it should look like this. So that's how we want it to look. I'm actually gonna make this a little bit smaller though. It's kind of big. So that's how we want it to look like. That it's if you want it to be longer or something, you can always just change the wait 1 second to like 2 seconds or whatever. I don't want it to be longer because when it's treated already kind of annoying to me. So okay, we're gonna press paint, and it's time for our main menu. So this is gonna be our character, because character is most important for the main menu. So I'm not gonna import a character like I did in the last one, because I think it'd be better if people actually saw how I build my character. So I'm gonna be building Chucky. So just go ahead and watch carefully. I'm probably not gonna talk too much because I kind of want to get this over with fast, but I will show you everything. So just to get clear with this is a select button. If you click anything, it'll select it. This right here is the reshape button. So if I have a circle, reshape is very important because you can click whatever you want to reshape and you can pull it down. This makes it so you can make kind of any kind of head shape, really anything at this point. So see, that's gonna be the head shape for my character. This is the paint tool. It just kind of, wherever you click and hold, it paints. It's not too important though. Here's the erase tool. Whatever you click and hold, it'll erase it. This is the fill tool. So whatever color you want, you can change any object. Text tool, just put text. It's the line. So if you click and hold, it'll make a line. Important tip for this: if you shift and hold, it'll make a straight line. This is the circle tool, and this is the square tool. I don't know why it outlined, but whatever. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and make my character. I'm not gonna talk too much, but it's important. If you guys don't want to watch this, go ahead and skip it. But it will be important if you guys don't know how to make a character. If you guys do want to, it's always important. If something doesn't look right to you, go ahead and change it. It's very important to create this how you want it. It doesn't matter how anyone else wants it. If something seems wrong to you, like just change it. Like the head shape looked a little bit off to me, so I changed it. Yeah, it's really not that big of a deal if you want to change something. I mean, it's your creation, so go ahead and do whatever you want. Okay, this is kind of how I make my eyes. You guys obviously don't have to make your eyes like this. This is just how I make them. It makes it look more a little bit more unsettling. That's a stupid eye. Makes it look makes it look a little bit more unsettling in my opinion. So how I make it, obviously you gotta make the outline of the eyes first. So there you go. But here's how I make it. A lot of people, some people ask on my Skype account how I make eyes. This is how I do it. So you want to make the eyes very small. The smaller the eye, the creepier it looks. So make the eyes really small, and obviously add the details. So I'm gonna make mine red. And then obviously put white dot in there. Oh shoot, hold on, this one's a little bit too big. Okay, and then you're just gonna want to take the black in there and just kind of take this little square thing and just kind of make like that. Obviously, it's probably not realistic because probably animatronics have like a bunch of eye sockets and stuff. That makes it look a little bit scary. I think I'm actually gonna make the eyes a little bit tiny bit bigger. They are a little bit too small. Okay. Okay. Back to just being silent, I guess. The head is really the most important part of all of this. The head is kind of like that's what people mostly look like when they look at a body. They don't really look at like the arms and that stuff. Look at the face. It makes it really important. So you guys want to always take your time with the head. I've seen a lot of projects where people they make good games with good story, but they don't really make good models, and that kind of kills the immersion of making a FNaF game. Because like, how are you supposed to make a FNaF game when the characters just look cute? That it doesn't really make much sense. So I always find it weird that people kind of do that. But obviously it's their game, so they can make whatever the heck they want. But I like to make my characters more better modeled because it does reflect on the actual game and how much work is put into it. So I always like to make my models good because it shows that I actually put effort into my game. Now, obviously, sometimes people are just not good at modeling, and that's obviously fine. A lot of people aren't good at modeling, and it's not their fault. Some people are just better at things, and some people aren't. So obviously, it's fine. I just like to put more effort into my models. This one part actually probably worse than the Father Chucky's Reborn one, but no, it's fine. I don't really remember how I made that one. Actually, the ears need to be a little bigger. Okay. Well, before to do this, you should always group the main parts of the body. So the arms you should always group, the head you should always group, and of course the body. Okay, well that's our model. I think I'm actually gonna make the head a little bit smaller. Nope, I need to put that, make it that a little bigger. Oh, there you go. That should be good. Okay, so there's our model. Obviously, you don't have to do the lower half. I'm actually gonna have to do it, but you don't have to do it right now. So group the whole thing for now, and just gonna bring it into the left corner, into the right corner, or whatever corner you want. I'm gonna make it actually a little bit bigger for this. Something's off about this model. I have no idea what. I think it's the ears. I need to make the ears a little bit bigger. Yeah, it's the ears. All right. Okay. So what we're gonna do is come here to this little. Well, first you're gonna want to duplicate all these costumes. You're gonna want to make the ways that he glitches, because that's what's gonna be important for the actual thing. So I'm just gonna kind of make it normal kind of glitches. I'm not gonna do anything too crazy. Okay. So you don't have to be too good of glitches because it's gonna be very fast. So now the next thing you're gonna want to do, group the whole thing. Okay, so come here and click this button right here, and click this right here. So this is kind of like the fading tool, and you're gonna change the right one to black and this one to this button. This is it does nothing. It just has nothing. So it kind of makes like this. So you can put as many shadows as you want, but I'm just gonna put 2 for each, and you can come up here and copy this and turn it. Oh crap! And then turn it right. And there you go. Okay. So let's do the coding. When green flag clicked, let's just hold on. I think I actually want to do this real quick. This is also another thing. If you click this and you do the same thing for this one, it makes it another kind of shadow. So that, yeah, that looks a lot better. Okay. One green flag clicked. Hide. When I receive main menu, so this is in broadcast. When I receive main menu, show. Switch costume to costume 1. And come here, get a forever. Switch costume to costume 1. Wait. Pick random. Pick random. 3 to 5 seconds. Oh shoot, 3 to 5 seconds. Then you'll want to switch costume to costume 2. Oh, sorry, you can go to operators, get a pick random. Get 2 pick randoms. So put them in there. Switch costume to pick random 1 to 2 to 3. We're gonna want to wait 0.1 second and switch costume to costume, and then same thing. Okay, I actually want to change it to 0.0. Let's see how that looks. The heck? Oh, it just did. What? Okay. Let's just do 0.1 seconds. Let's see this. Here we go. There you go. That's pretty good. Okay, now you're gonna want to come to. Sorry, I just started recording for a second. Anyways, okay, so here we go. Let's go ahead and check this out. Got the warning screen, and then nice our character. And let's go see the glitch. I don't know why it's only doing. Let's say you go ahead and get rid of pick random 1. Let's actually only put 2 and 3. Yep, that looks a lot better. Okay. Also, yeah, I'm gonna change it to 0.01 because the glitches are a little bit too long. Let's see them now. No, that's okay. Hold on. Try this. Let's just do 0.1. Man, let's do this instead. Pick random 2 to 3, and then pick random 1 to 2, and then let's copy this again, and then do 3 to 1. See how this looks. Now let's change this to, oh crap. Change this to 0.01, and this is 0.01, and this is 0.1. Okay. That looks good. Okay. Next you're gonna do is bring in your music. I think I might have a song in here. Let me find something real quick. What is this? FNaF Juniors? My god, sorry about that. I don't know why I was in there. Yeah, it scared me. What is this? Five Nights at Freddy's. Oh, nope, I know what that is. It's not happening. Okay, let's just go ahead and get our own song. So you can just go ahead and type in, like, I don't know, FNaF. I'm gonna do the FNaF 1 main menu thing. Download. And I'm sure it's gonna be somewhere down here if you just check. If you can't do that, you can always just click on a video with it, just like this. Just click YouTube, and then just go ahead and copy the link. Which is the remastered? I'm pretty sure that was the remastered one, but I just want to know. Okay, yeah, that was not a remastered one. This is the remastered one. I like this one better. We're just gonna go ahead and type in YT to MP3. This is a converter, and it converts downloads into it. If you're using a phone, I'm sorry, but it'll convert it into YouTube. Obviously, you could use a different one, or if you find something like that, you can just if you find like an actual just download link, you can always just use that. So then you're gonna upload it into here. You can just go over to the sound button and click upload sound. And now all I gotta do is do what I receive main menu forever. Play FNaF 1 remastered main menu. So now I'll do this. Play his main menu. That's pretty cool, right? Okay. So next thing we're gonna be doing is the fade. So, or not the fade, sorry, we're gonna do the title first. So I'm actually gonna use a font generator because I personally like different fonts that aren't a part of Scratch. I like this font personally, aesthetic. So we're gonna be doing, let's do 5. You can do whatever. You guys could just use a normal font too, but I personally like this one. So just put like 5. Nights. With Chucky. Oh, I meant to put. Okay, well, yeah. If you're gonna put with, I don't know why I put 5 Nights with Chucky's. I meant to put 5 Nights at Chucky's. 5 Nights with. Oh crap! I recommend copying this and then just kind of doing this, Chucky, and then just do. I'm sure put remastered. Okay, I'm gonna actually make all this smaller. So. Oh crap! Okay. Let me make this smaller. Bring all these back up a little bit. And then change this to red. Okay. So now we're gonna do. Oh, let me also name this real quick. Character. So now we're gonna have the title. We're gonna do when green flag clicked. Hide when I receive main menu. Show. That's pretty simple. Now we can also copy this for the credits. And we can just go ahead because it's the same code, so we can just copy it. And we can just we're gonna take this, delete this, and we're gonna go ahead and put like by. Let's see. So now we could just come here. I don't know why it's in purple, but whatever. So we're gonna, yeah, same thing. So let's see how it looks. Actually, we can bring this title up a little bit. Okay, so now we're gonna do the fade. So I'll click this, change it to black, and just press convert to that, and just do that. You're gonna do when your green flag clicked. Let me put that to 0, 0. Green flag clicked. Hide. When I receive main menu, show, and change ghost effect by 1, and then hide. Oh, sorry. Repeat 100 times. Change ghost effect by 1. So let's see how that looks. And make sure to code right. So just press code front there. Ooh, that looks a lot better. Now it's time for our new game button. So let's go ahead and get the new game font. New game. Copy. Put new game there. And then you're also going to want to make a copy of that and change the color to gray. Okay. So now you have a new game. Ooh, okay. Okay, after this. When green flag clicked. Oh shoot, sorry about that. Turn. Let's do this. Alright. So when green flag clicked, hide. Not receive main menu. Show. We're gonna do this. Switch costume to costume 1. Forever. If then else, this is a new one. If then else. Go to sensing, get a touching mouse pointer. And switch costume to costume 2. If then costume 2, else costume 1. So now if we start this up, it's gonna be at costume 1, but if we put our mouse over it, it changes. So, okay, there you go. Now you're gonna put when this sprite clicked, broadcast new game, or no, broadcast fade out. Wait, let's see. Okay, so for the fade, we're gonna do when I receive fade out, then hide, and instead of repeating by change ghost effect by 1, change it by -2, and put a set ghost effect to 100. So it looks like that. So let's see how long that takes. Let's put like a wait 1 second here, and then hide. That's way too short. Let's do this. Again, way too short. That's a lot better. Okay, also let's make sure this goes in front there. So now it should look like this. Oh wait, nice, that's better. Okay. Okay, so and then also I will do that in a second. Okay. So now we're gonna make a new copy of this. Let's make this show real quick. We're gonna make a copy of this and make it continue. So let's go ahead and get continue. And let's go ahead and use this. So costume, let's change this to continue. Let's go ahead and change the X to 0. And we're just gonna bring this down a little bit. It might take a little bit. I totally forgot about this. Okay, there you go, that's good. Alright. So now we're just gonna copy this. Press this, and then we can just paste this. Alright, so there you go. And then we're gonna press when the sprite clicks broadcast fade out, same thing. So now we're gonna come here, when I receive fade out, just come to any sprite, and you're gonna put wait 3 seconds, and hide. Now I can put that for everything, in all of these, except for fade. And put this code from there. So now we should be looking like this. Pretty nice, right? One thing I totally forgot about was this static. So we can also get rid of this now. And just come here and type in FNaF static GIF. You can find whatever GIF you want. It doesn't really matter. I'm gonna go ahead, just grab this one, I think. And you're gonna want to come here and press upload sprite instead of, and you should click this and press open. So okay, yeah, there you go. And you're gonna, if this sprite is not big enough, you can always change the size to like 150. So that works. So we're gonna change this name to static. So when green flag clicked, go to 0, 0. Alright, you don't need to go to 0, 0. You've already changed it. When I receive main menu, show, forever, set ghost effect to, let's try 75. That's good. And then next costume. That's pretty good. So we're gonna also come here and press do fade last, but go to title. Let's go to front layer. Credits, go to front layer. New game, go to front layer. Continue, go to front layer, and do fade out last. So that fade will go to the front, to the full front, the frontest of the front layer. Also, I don't know why my project isn't saving. Let me go ahead and stop the project real quick. Let's save for a second. Okay, so okay. So let's see how this looks now. So that's pretty good, right? That's very nice. And okay. Also, one of the reasons why my other model looks so much better is because I use Pixlr. This one I did not use Pixlr. So that's why it looks a little bit worse. I will be right back. I'll be back in a second. Follow me. Alright, now come back to the video. Alright, let me try something. Ready? Oh, what do I do with it? Okay, fine. Wait, so do the two. I'll try. Okay, so sorry about that. Okay. So, we're gonna make the static line next. So you're gonna come here to paint and do static line. And we're just gonna go ahead and bring this right here. And do this. Now we're gonna come here, one green flag clicked. Hide. Also make sure to bring the credits thing. Wait, when I see fade out, put this into static. Don't know why. Alright, there you go. So static line. Make sure to put this in here too. Where is it? Credits. Okay. So when I receive main menu, go to front layer, or no, don't go to front layer, sorry. Make sure this to go to front layer, but put the static over the whole thing and then fade out over the whole thing. Okay. Oh, wait. Shoot, sorry. Alright, what do you want to put next? New game and credits. Put fade. Remember, always put fade last so that it does the whole thing. So static line. When I receive main menu, now this you actually need to put this go to 0 0. And set ghost effect to whatever. I'm probably gonna put it a little bit higher, or no, a little bit lower, so it's more visible over the static. I'll put it to like 65. And we're gonna put show. Repeat 403 times. 403 times. Change x by negative 0.9. Then we're gonna hide and broadcast static line. Now you should copy this and just change this to static line. So now what this is gonna do is that once this broadcast static line, it's gonna do the static line over again, and we're gonna broadcast it again, over again, broadcast it again. It's gonna broadcast the same thing. So there you go. See this? That is the wrong thing. I meant to do change y, not that. Sorry about that, guys. I meant to do change y by negative 0.9. So here we go. Now it should actually do it. There you go. I'm actually gonna make that a tiny bit smaller because it is kind of big. Like that. That's a lot better. Alright, so now we're also going to put other static lines. So you're going to copy this and delete this. Let's change it to other static interference. Let's put that. So what we're going to do is we're going to make multiple costumes of just kind of weird, like, staticky things. Okay, so now we're going to get rid of this. And we're going to do, when I receive main menu, forever, or press do switch costume, or press do hide first. Well, don't, oh my god. Okay. Set ghost effect to put this right here to 65. Or no, let's do it 70. And then we're gonna forever wait, pick random. We'll do like 4 to 6 seconds. Then we're gonna show switch costume to pick random. Let's do 1 to 2 to 3. 1 to 2 to 3. We're gonna wait 0.01 seconds. Or let's do 0.09 seconds. We're gonna switch costume, do the same thing, and like 4 times, and then we're gonna hide. So let's see how this looks. So there you go. Those are the static lines. Okay. So make sure the static is are not above this. Actually, yes. Make sure static goes to the front layer, and then go ahead and put all these to the front layer again. Make sure always put fade last. There you go. So that's it for the main menu today. Go ahead and show you the final product. So there you go, guys. I really hope you enjoyed this video. I have great plans for this video, or for the other parts. But anyways, I hope you enjoyed it. See you guys in the next one. Bye. Also, sorry, before we go, please consider subscribing. This took a while, and I do put a lot of time and effort into this video. And I'm actually working on, I need about 300 more hours on my channel before I start watching, maybe before I start getting money. And once I start getting money, I can actually buy better equipment, and we can actually start doing better stuff. So, please go watch some of my other videos. They are worth your time. Trust me, please. And give me those hours up so I can get some better videos out here. Thank you. Bye, guys.